What's going on, guys? Just received this package today, and as you can see, it's a FMF exhaust. Feel the power. So let's unbox this thing, see what it looks like. So the model number is 041486, and this is good for the 2013 to 2016 Honda CRF250L. And as you can see here, it's the Q4. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. Doesn't look like it. Let me put you on pause for a second. Okay, so I got the staples out. Let's see what this thing looks like. Paper. Exhaust. Anything else in the box? Just looks like some more paper. FMF Q4. Utility knife. Let's see if I put these down. There it is, guys. Pretty cool. Spark arrestor is already installed in there. Looks like a really nice American-made product. Inspecting number. Oh, actually has a date on it too, so that's good. Looks good. Also comes with a bracket, so if you want to put the heat shield on, you can. A couple of stickers. And that's about it. Let's let's bring it out to the bike, see what it looks like up against it. Alright, guys, we're at the bike. Yeah, it's gonna look nice. It's gonna look nice. It's gonna sound even better than the stock exhaust, of course. Well, that's about it, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.